Dear learners, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the various reactions, isothermal reactions that are taking place in the iron carbide phase diagram. So starting with the first reaction, which is called as the Utictoid reaction. In the previous session, we have discussed that what are the various reaction points. So to write the Utictoid reaction, first of all locate where is the Utictoid point in the iron carbon diagram. So this is that Utictoid point. So what is to be done? Around this Utictoid point, draw one rectangle like this. So this is that rectangle. Then sketch the appearance inside the rectangle, that is this V shape and this horizontal line like this here. So I have sketched the appearance inside the rectangle here. Then write what is present in this phi. So in this phi here, what is present? It is gamma. That's why I have written here gamma. Then write what is present below this horizontal line. So below this horizontal line, what is present? It is alpha plus Fe3C. So it is alpha plus Fe3C. Now for this reaction, the gamma is the solid one, whereas the alpha is the second solid for this reaction, solid 2. Okay. Plus Fe3C is the solid 3. And that's why we can write that during cooling, as the cooling progresses, as the temperature is decreased, solid 1 is being transformed during cooling to solid 2 plus solid 3. As iron is the allotropic material, the change will be reversible, and that's why during heating, solid 2 plus solid 3 will be transformed to solid 1. So, such a type of reaction is called as the Utictoid reaction. Getting it? The next is the eutectic reaction. Now, again, to write the eutectic reaction, first of all, locate the eutectic point. Where is the eutectic point? So, in this diagram, this is the eutectic point here. So, around this eutectic point, draw the rectangle. This dotted is a rectangle here. Now, sketch the appearance inside the rectangle. The appearance inside the rectangle is this. This is a V shape, and this is a horizontal line. Then write what is present into this V shape. It is liquid. So that's why I have drawn the same appearance here, and then write the appearance. Sketch the appearance here like this. So this is the V. Inside this V, the liquid is present, and below this horizontal line, it is gamma plus Fe3C. Right? Now for this reaction, the liquid remains liquid, whereas the gamma is called as the solid 1 for this reaction, whereas the Fe3C is the solid 2. That's why I have written it as liquid is transforming during cooling to solid 1 plus solid 2. And that's why we can write this reaction like this. During cooling, liquid is being transformed to solid 1 plus solid 2, whereas as the iron is allotropic material, the change will be reversible. The change will be reversible, and that's why solid 1 plus solid 2 will be transformed during heating to the liquid. Or we can write it as liquid is transformed during cooling to gamma plus Fe3C, and as iron is the allotropic material, the change will be reversible. So gamma plus Fe3C will be transformed to liquid during heating. So this reaction is called as the eutectic reaction. Right? Getting it? What is eutectic reaction? Then moving to the next reaction. The next is the peritectic reaction. So to again write the peritectic reaction, locate where is the peritectic point in the diagram. The peritectic point is on the highest isotherm. The highest isotherm is this line, and this is the peritectic point. So around this point, draw one rectangle like this. So this is that rectangle here, and sketch the appearance inside the rectangle. The appearance inside the rectangle is like this. This is the horizontal line, and this is the inverted V. You can observe it here. This is the horizontal line, and this is inverted V. Now it is present above this horizontal line. It is delta plus liquid. That's why I write here delta plus liquid. And in the inverted V, we know that it is gamma. So write it here gamma. Now for this reaction, the delta is the solid 1 plus liquid remains liquid, whereas gamma can be called as the solid 2. So all this transformation of solid 1 plus liquid to solid 2 is taking place during cooling, and that's why I am writing delta plus liquid is transformed during cooling to gamma. Okay. Or you can write it as during cooling solid 1 plus liquid is transformed to the solid 2. Again, as iron is the allotropic material, the change will be reversible. And that's why solid 2 will be transformed to solid 1 plus liquid during heating. Such a type of reaction is called as the peritectic reaction. So I hope you got these things. So that's it for these reactions. In the next session, we'll be talking about the various terms, various phases which are present in the iron carbon diagram in more detail. Thank you.